Your business is unique, however, the challenges you face are not. You simply want more customers and to increase revenue. But like many business owners, you're probably a little overwhelmed at the speed in which marketing is changing. Recently, the Harvard Business Review wrote, "Many companies need to dramatically shift their marketing strategies to account for the rising power exerted on future customers by the opinions of existing customers." And Google takes online ratings and reviews so seriously that they now combine online reviews with search results. As a smart business owner, you already know why you need to have fresh, new positive customer reviews coming in on a regular basis, but probably wonder how you can actually make that happen. It makes sense that a 5-star rating is more attractive than a 4-star rating, and that 4 stars are more attractive than 3 stars, and so on. And this has a huge impact on your business, and more importantly, your bottom line. 92% of consumers will use a local business if it has a 4-star rating, and 72% of your prospects will use your business if you have 3 stars. However, only 27% will use a local business with a 2-star rating, while just 13% will try a company with a 1-star rating. That means a business with 4 stars will generate 3.5 times as many new customers as one with 2 stars. So, businesses with a lower star rating are missing out on attracting new customers, and they're failing to build the trust that will lead to better sales conversions. So, how can we help? We've created an all-in-one software solution that requires little to no technical skills on your part. The biggest hurdle most business owners we talk to face is how to effectively balance the time they spend managing their brand and growing their reputation while running day-to-day operations. Our automated follow-up and marketing system provides a simple yet powerful solution to generate customer feedback and turn that into fresh positive reviews being posted online. First, you'll enter customers into the database. You can even assign feedback to specific departments or employees. The software sends an initial feedback email sequence inviting the customer to give feedback on their experience, and of course, every part of the experience can be viewed from any mobile device. The invitation link takes the customer to the online feedback form, which requires a star rating. And in your dashboard, you can determine which star rating threshold to use for positive and negative reviews. But the default positive setting is for 4 stars or greater, which opens a professionally produced white label thank you video inviting the customer to copy their feedback to review sites. You can add any rating or review sites you want, or even rotate sites to spread reviews across the web. A thank you email follows up with your positive customers and invites them to place a review on the review sites you select. You can write your own emails, of course, but our default set of feedback request, reminder, and thank you emails come pre-configured within the software to get you started immediately. What if the feedback is negative? If the feedback rating is 3 stars or less, the customer is taken to a different page with a different video, capturing a potential issue to resolve it internally. This time, the message offers an apology and asks for an opportunity to correct our mistakes. Instead of asking for a review, we ask for suggestions on how to correct the mistakes and avoid repeating them in the future. The unhappy customer instantly receives an additional email, again apologizing for the mistakes and asking for an opportunity to correct them. Positive or negative, as soon as your feedback is received, you'll instantly receive an email showing you the rating and the full report. Of course, you can read it on a web browser or an email-capable mobile device. You'll also receive an SMS notification, which can be extremely important for negative feedback, allowing you a chance to quickly respond. And you can easily add more contacts for management and staff so that feedback alerts are notified for action. You'll notice the customer who left negative feedback was not asked to leave a review. Fast action to resolve an issue could soon become a positive review about a problem solved. However, what if they find their own way to a review site and leave a negative review anyway? With our system, you'll stay on top of what's being said about your business. From your dashboard, you have an instant reputation snapshot, which includes your most recent feedback and reviews, average online rating, and your overall feedback rating. Connect your dashboard to top review sites like Yelp, Google+, and CitySearch to pull in reviews about your business. Everything is displayed inside your dashboard, and you'll be alerted when the software finds new ratings or reviews. Click to instantly see your reviews and ratings, which means you can easily comment or respond. With our detailed reporting, you'll always be aware of your online reputation. You can check feedback response rates, even see feedback star percentages. Monitor trends and performance at a micro level by drilling down to specific employees or departments. See results over the past week, month, or a specific date range. Now, for more exciting news. Your small monthly investment also includes a local review directory site, an additional property which you control. It's a standalone page that contains your basic company information, such as hours of operation and contact details, plus links to social media and external review sites. Plus, from your dashboard, you can easily choose which comments and reviews you want to share on the site. But wait, there's more. Embed our exclusive review widget on your main company site, which helps collect and display your choice of positive feedback to site visitors. The Leave a Review button will take your customer directly to your feedback input form. And remember, from your dashboard, you control exactly which reviews and feedback are seen by your prospects. How about social media? We've got you covered. Automatically share positive feedback and reviews with your followers on Facebook, Twitter, and Google+. You decide what feedback to share, how to share it, and the maximum number of posts for each day. Segmenting and contacting your customers has never been easier with our Contact Manager and email remarketing system. You now have the ability to contact customers based on the feedback they've left you. Search, manage, and segment existing customers based on their ratings. Personalize the default templates to suit your customer base with the email editor. Import over a dozen possible merge fields, and design a personalized message for your customers. How about this? Imagine you pull up a list of customers who left negative feedback and make an offer to come back and give you a second chance. There's still more. Also included is a powerful listings manager that locates and verifies your business information across more than 55 online directories, review sites, and social networks. You'll start by entering a detailed profile complete with links, photos, a business logo, business description, hours, and more. We'll populate your profile and lock in the information for you across the most imperative local directories. You'll manage your entire presence from one centralized location, so if you make any changes, they're adjusted across all of the directory sites. Setting up your account is simple thanks to an intuitive interface and detailed video tutorials. You'll be building your positive online reputation in next to no time. But if you need hands-on help, our friendly staff are standing by. Check out what other business owners have to say about the software. Steve Johnson said, "I was blown away by the simplicity of use and how quickly I was able to implement this into my business." Jennifer M. said, "The software is great for business owners who are serious about their reputation and want to build it quickly and consistently." And how about the success enjoyed by Guardian Roofing? When they started using the software, they had just 2 reviews posted online. Here's what happened in just 4 months. They got 181 customer feedback responses, caught 21 negative feedback responses, and increased traffic to their website by 25%. From 2 Google reviews, they now have 21 5-star reviews, plus they improved their Google search rankings, and now they're in the top 5. And when you activate your account now, you'll get everything I've described today. But there's even more, as you'll discover in your dashboard. In fact, there are more than 40 additional features which will make a huge difference to your business reputation. Now look, some business owners are already paying $1,000 or more for people to manage their reputation online. It's still good value because of the huge impact that online social proof has for almost any business. But you can get better results while managing and monitoring your own reviews, ratings, and feedback for a fraction of what others may be paying. I wanted to keep this as affordable as possible for any business owner in any industry anywhere. You'd easily cover the investment with just a few sales. But I want you to act now, building the online reputation your business deserves, providing a competitive advantage, and leading to more sales. Reputation management is critically important to your business, and that means you should start today. So for a limited time, you can get started for an insanely low price. Just click the button below to get started. For most businesses, the increased reviews and improved ratings are worth it, but capturing the possible negative reviews before they appear online is priceless. What do you want your prospects to see when they find you online? Just click the button below to get started and be in control of what's being said. I look forward to working with you, and we'll see you on the other side.